Hello everyone, it is me, Sarah B. Thanks for joining me in this little corner of the world, the internet world. I'm opening my 7th box from Stitch Fix today. Kind of crazy that I'm already at number 7. But good. Stitch Fix is an subscription clothing company. You submit a request, or you have the option to tell your stylist what you're looking for. They curate a box and send it to you. It's a $20 deposit, which goes towards whatever you decide to keep from the box. If you decide to keep everything, you get a 25% discount. They send you 5 items at a time. What else? You have 3 days to try things on and send it back. If you choose to not keep anything, you lost your $20. When I first started doing Stitch Fix, my goal was always to not lose my $20. And now it's like, how do I justify keeping so many beautiful pieces of clothing in my wardrobe at any given time? Oh man. Okay, so here's my bag that they sent me, prepaid bag, to return things in. Here is my notes and important information. And here is my bundle. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, as anybody who has watched me once or twice knows, I tend to wear a lot of this, being like solid colors, and specifically black, navy blue, and gray. That's about as much as my wardrobe held up until I started doing Stitch Fix and other subscription boxes. And I told my stylist, get the pattern, oh my gosh, and color coming. So we shall see. Oh my god, that's actually really cute. I'm a professor, so I'm looking forward to going back to school in August, and that's my excuse to spend some money on some nice clothes. Oh my goodness, look at this. I mean, do stripes count as pattern? I think we had a discussion about this, or like a little baby discussion about this in a comment before, but I do like this. This is from Mix by 47 Hawthorne. Mix. Arnold Raglan knit top. It's a little bit shorter than I typically wear tops, but that's not a bad thing necessarily. It's nice. It's very autumnal. Can I say that? I mean, it's still July and very warm where I'm at, but that is autumnal. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Daniel Rain. Coda split neck blouse. And it has like hydrangea on it. Hydrangea are my favorite. And I'm even going to totally forgive that they are pink hydrangea. Right? Anybody who knows me? Right? It's a Stitch Fix exclusive. I'm super excited about this. This is great. Alright, the next top has lemons on it. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. It is super cute, but I do not wear anything that requires me to wear a strapless bra because I don't. I just don't. That is not worth the hassle. But this is super cute. Is this worth the hassle? Probably not, but it's really cute. By Alice Blue. Havana halter blouse. It is really cute. I want to try it on, but just with a regular bra, because that's what I got on right now, and I'm not changing. Sorry, viewers. Okay, I'm less sure about this one. This is a whole lot of print. Like, the dress, oh my gosh. It's a whole lot of print. This is by Wisp Woman. And Naisley, like as a take on Paisley, a Naisley jersey dress in dark purple. It's just a lot. I'm trying it on though, and we shall see for sure. It's just a lot. Okay. And then this last bit, a skirt or pants? A skirt. Skirt? Kind of really short skirt. Also by 41 Hawthorne, the Gillen knit skirt. I do have, I usually put on, I wonder who my stylist was this time. I usually put on that I only like skirts that hit at or below the knee, just because it's a comfort thing with me. I just like long flowy skirts. We're trying it on. We're going to see. Okay, we will see. There's a lot to think about here. I will be right back. Outfit number one. The skirt is actually like comfier than I thought it was going to be. It's very stretchy, like knit. Has give to it. Lovely. It's still like not super comfortable just because of the length for me. If it had pockets, I think the comfiness and pockets would overrule the lack of length. The top is adorable, but just not for me. I think even if it was sleeve, like even if it had like a cap sleeve or just like a wider sleeve, it's just not for me. Although the lemons are adorable. And my kids really love the TV show Sarah and Duck. And Sarah really loves lemons and lemon water and all things lemony. So it would be an homage to her. But alas, not meant to be. This is a lot. It's a lot. Really super comfy. Perhaps a little bit more fitting than I would typically go for. I like flowy, flouncy things. But I don't hate it. I'm just not sure what the world would do if I would walk out with this much pattern on. My children wouldn't recognize me. My students would just like fall over in shock. I don't know. But I'm not completely against it. Yeah. Like, I love the sleeve length. I love the actual length. It hits exactly at my knee, which is perfect for me. I don't know, man. This might do it. Alright, we'll see. Let's keep trying on. This top is amazing. It's not nearly as short as I thought it was when I first held it up. It has, like, lots of give to it. It's not quite sweatshirt material. Like, it's a heavier knit. But, like, heavier than t-shirt, but not sweater. Makes sense? I never used to wear stripes. Ever. And I think this is going to have to stay with me. And I think this will be now, like, the fourth striped thing that I own. And the third striped thing that came from the Stitch Fix box. Really comfy. I love it. And I'm going to call this with jeans as like a casual Friday, totally okay outfit to wear. I'm calling it. I'm just saying. It's official now. I said so. Okay, so good news and bad news. Good news, it fits my bust, which is always a concern for clothes like this, tops like this. The bad news is that it's not as long as I would like. Like, it hits just at my my waist. And I would like to go down a little bit longer. That said, I don't think it's a deal breaker, especially depending on how much it costs. I really love this. It's such a cute pattern, and it's still black, but it has like cute stuff on it. Okay, I think it's time to see how much this is all adding up to be, because I'm falling in love with too many pieces, I think. And we have to see. All right, I'm gonna get changed. All right, now let's see what it all costs. And who styled me? Hey Sarah, I'm so excited to send you this 41 Hawthorne skirt your way today. To send this 41 Hawthorne skirt your way today. I know you're typically a fan of printed. That's not true necessarily. So we will keep you comfortable. So this will keep you comfortable and is a great basic to wear time and time again. For work, pair it with your favorite color tank or tee to match it up with this Daniel Rain blouse. Or the striped 3/4 sleeve top for an easy ensemble. Dress up the skirt for night out with the Alice blue halter top. We haven't tried this style before, so let me know if this is a go for or no for you. Last but not least, I love the comfort and classy nature of this wisp dress. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Cheers, Meredith. Thank you, Meredith. Meredith sent me an awesome dress last time. Oh, and that top that was perfect for me. Completely perfect for me. So I had been styled by Julie, I want to say, and then Julie couldn't style me once. And so Meredith jumped in. And when they asked me last time if I wanted my same, like the stylist who was already styled me or somebody new, I said the stylist who's always styled me, which ends up being Meredith, which is fine, but it means that we're learning each other again, and that's okay too. They always give you some ideas on how to style the pieces they sent you, some other things you can pair them with. Yeah. This little blue piece of paper is the important one. Let's do the invoice. Okay. The Alice Blue Havana halter blouse, the adorable lemons, $38. I don't think that's bad. The Daniel Rain, this is what I was worried about. Coda split neck blouse, $68. I love you, blouse. You don't fit well enough for $68 though. Like, I want you to fit really well, but here's the thing. Before I popped on to do this bit of the recording, I checked out on the Stitch Fix website, because if you really love something, but it's not the right size, you can exchange it. And I really wanted to exchange this for just a larger size, just to have a little bit more comfort and wiggle room. And alas, they sent me the largest size they carry. And it doesn't fit. It makes me real sad. I love it. What are you going to do? $68 for something that doesn't quite fit does not seem reasonable to me. The Mix by 41 Hawthorne Arnold Raglan knit top is $38, which is more than I would typically spend, but considering it's Stitch Fix box, it's about right. It feels about right. The 41 Hawthorne Gillen knit skirt, $64. Again, did not fit well enough or comfortably enough. And the Wisp Ainsley jersey dress in dark purple is $68, which is about what I anticipated it would be. I still have to think about this. I don't know. I feel like it's too much all at once. Like that striped dress that I got last time, I've worn a dozen times already probably, because it's so comfortable and I feel like really good in it and I'm like excited to grab for it. This, I don't know if I would feel like being that loud, you know? on any given day. $68 though. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I need your help. So altogether, to buy everything in the box is $276. If you buy everything, the 25% discount would be $69 off of that. $207 minus the $20 you already spent would be a total of $187 to keep everything in the box, which, if you're keeping everything in the box because it fits and you love it, is actually a really good deal. Alas, I am not in that position. I'm definitely keeping this because I really love it and it's comfy and I need to keep something or otherwise I lose my $20. I really wish this came in a larger size because even at $68, which is a lot for a top, it's too much to spend for a top that doesn't fit as nicely as you would like it to. If I could have exchanged this for a larger size that I knew would fit me more comfortably, done deal. Alas, I don't think it's meant to be. And it makes me have a sad. But that's just how it goes sometimes. And it's part of the joy and the heartache that is being the shape of body that I am and doing these types of subscription boxes that are typically geared for differently shaped bodies. Is that a fairly egalitarian way of putting it? No disrespect to anybody. Maybe it's time that I try something like Gwynnie Bee or Dia & Company. I think it might be time. Because this is not the first time that I've fallen in love with a piece that just doesn't fit. And I know these other boxes will have pieces that will fit me. No disrespect to Stitch Fix. And since my luck seems to really come in threes, we're going to keep on keeping on. This is only 7. I'm going to go to at least 9. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. So thank you, Meredith, for your lovely stylings. There's some delightful things to try on and think about. I'm still going to think about that dress, too. I just don't know. Let me know in the comments. I will appreciate it. As always, thank you for joining me. If you have any interest in joining Stitch Fix, giving it a try, use my referral link down below and you will get some cash to spend on your first box, which is always fun. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, be well.